guys? It's your boy Eric here, on the way to playing tennis with the cousins.
Yeah!
Should be awesome. We'll see how it goes.
Here we have our number one player, Win Legend. What would you say your strengths are?
Everything's my strengths. I have no weakness.
No weaknesses. Yeah. That's why you're the number one. We have the number two player, Eric.
That's right. Been playing for over 5 years. My accomplishments include a member of my college tennis club, and I once lost 6 straight sets in a row. That's my accomplishment. Fastest serve, maybe 60 miles an hour.
Would you say you're better or worse than a dog?
DOG dog or DAWG?
DOG dog.
Oh, about the same.
Okay.
I've lost to as many dogs as I've beaten, so about the same.
Here we have Jeff, the number 3 player.
Number 3? What ranking are you using?
I looked at the CSGO power rankings.
The wrong rankings, bro.
So I heard that you have a winning percentage of 12. Is that true?
Technically it's 12.3, but
okay.
Pretty much. If you want to round down, I guess.
So today you're gonna try and improve that win percentage, right?
Yeah. Hopefully we can get up to 12.5. I think 12.7 was my highest ever. So you know, I'm trying to get that above that threshold, and then that way I can say perform my best.
Oh wait, hold on. I'm not a number 1 player. I'm kind of here as a coach to give these young guys a lesson. That's my goal.
Finally, we have the rookie Tyler. What are your expectations out of this game?
I'm gonna lose.
Okay.
I'm gonna lose.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Spicy vodka, St. George green chili. What's the 40%?
40%.
For vodka.
There you go.
Do a
It has. It's made in the Golden State from California. Jalapenos, habaneros, serranos, and bell peppers. That's gonna be spicy and healthy. It's got bell peppers. Okay, I'll take a shot.
That should be good.
It's about a shot. Okay.
And pour me a little bit of yours.
Oh, that smells spicy.
Oh shoot!
Stink.
Oh, it smells like peppers.
You get a second. You might get a second cup to chase.
Whoa, that smells like pepper. It was like straight up pepper.
Good enough or more?
Give me a little more for me, please.
Okay.
Alright.
Bottoms up.
There you go. Cheers.
It's not awful.
That's not too bad. Oh, I taste the chili aftertaste. Not too bad though.
It's not awful. That was gonna be a lot worse.
No. That was pretty smooth.
Where's the spice though?
I think I chased a little too quickly. I was too scared of it hitting me. It wasn't too bad.
There's not like no spice.
I tasted a little bit of a green pepper after spice, but it wasn't
Like serrano pepper.
wasn't like a fireball or anything.
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad. I would actually recommend this.
Yeah. It's a good teaser gift.